So this is the morning of July 14th. So Elena's trying to talk to me and I don't have any clue what she's trying to say. So I need you to, what is it that you want to do this morning? You want to eat? Yep. Okay, can you try to say it though? Okay. And then what are we about to do? About, yeah? I'm going to do the IV treatment. Yep.
No, come back. Oh.
So do you know what today is? What day it is? Yeah. Can you say your brother's names? Did you say?